How to remove all TikTok followers at once. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove all TikTok followers at once. So let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and then click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click these three lines on the top right corner and choose settings and privacy. And on this page you have to scroll to the bottom and then choose report a problem. And it's going to bring you to this page over here. You simply have to scroll down and you'll find this chat with us option. And here it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to send a message over here in this box. Just type over here, please remove all my followers, and then click send. And once you do so, it will remove all your followers at once. And that's the only process that you can follow to remove all followers at once on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.